An installation guide for the ZIPBOLT QT 10.700 HT worktop connector for joining worktops with a thickness range of 26 to 40 mm. Set the router depth using the ZIPBOLT gear housing. Using a 1/2 inch or 12.7mm router cutter along with a standard 30mm guide bush, machine the dog bone profiles. A fantastic addition to the connector is the zip clip. Clipped to the shaft, this holds the worktop bolt firmly in place during installation. Ensure that the zip clips are only inserted on one side of the joint and not across it. Lower the pre-glued worktop onto the connectors. These can then be tensioned with one hand using a drill driver. Zip bolt and zip clip, making life easier.